Today, let's make Thai-style garlic fried chicken. It's crispy, it's aromatic, so full and rich with flavor. That garlic fragrance just punches through the chicken. It's absolutely delicious. Now, first thing we need to do for our garlic fried chicken is to cut the chicken. Now, here I am using the boneless chicken thigh because number one, it's a quicker process to the recipe compared to using whole chicken. Because if you're using like small chicken bits like this, about this size, then you can cut short the marination time and you can cook it straight away. And if you're doing this like me, then what you want to do is use chicken thigh. If you're on a diet, then chicken breast. Once you've cut up the chicken, now it's time to make the marination. Okay, I have here about 5 cloves of garlic. And in that, we're going in with coriander root. Just roughly chop these, in it goes. I'm using white peppercorns to go in with about 2 teaspoons of white peppercorn. A pinch of salt to get it going, and grind everything together into a paste. Now we're going to add this to the chicken. Good tablespoon of fish sauce, tablespoon of oyster sauce. Give this a good mix around. You can smell the garlic, the coriander root, and the white pepper. This is going to be absolutely delicious. Now we're going to let this stand for a good half an hour or so while we prepare some other ingredients. Here I have some garlic, which I'm just going to slice, and we will fry this to top it on the chicken later on. Peel the shallot, same thing, slice thinly. Alright, so here we've got our garlic and our shallots cut up. First up, what I want to do is fry up the shallots and garlic. So, to do that, we start off with the shallots. Shallots do take a little bit longer because of the moisture content. Once the shallot starts, you sort of see a little bit of color or starts to turn translucent, then we add in the garlic. This will flavor the oil, make it nice and aromatic. That way when we fry our chicken, that's just going to add more flavor to the chicken. Garlic in. Right, once you see the garlic chips nice and golden and the shallots turn nice and golden brown, we can remove all this. There we go. They're going to be nice, beautiful crisps on top of our garlic fried chicken later on. Now, you want to make sure that you use a fine sift and sift up all that's in there, because you don't want any piece of shallot or garlic browning or burning inside the oil. That would turn the entire dish sort of unpleasant. Because this is the ready product, so you just want to season it with a little bit of salt so that it has flavor. Now for the chicken, now I'm going to add in an egg white. Now the egg white is going to help sort of get the marinade to stick on the chicken and also help the flour sticking onto it. The flour that I'm using here is rice flour to give you that nice sort of crisp. But you can make this recipe without flour, but you omit the eggs, okay? So from the chicken being marinated straight into the fire, straight into the oil. Get your chicken, and it's fine if you have like a little bit of chicken exposed, some covered in flour. It's totally fine. All right, once the oil is hot enough, we can start dropping our chicken in. You want to make sure you dust off any excess flour. You don't want the oil burning up because of the excess flour. All right, once you see the chicken's nice and crisp, look at that beautiful color. We can remove it and set it aside on a kitchen towel, or if you have a wire rack, please use a wire rack. All right, now you can plate it out. I have here a little bit of basil on the side. Go very, very well with that garlic fried chicken flavor. Now get this beautiful, can you hear that sound? Absolutely delicious. There you go, ladies and gentlemen, Thai style garlic fried chicken. All right, now for the taste test. Chicken's nice and succulent on the inside, it's crispy on the outside. Not to mention the aromas, the bursting aromas from the fried garlic chips, the shallot chips, and inside that chicken with the pounded white peppercorn. All those flavors just really burst into your mouth as you bite into that chicken. Absolutely delicious. A couple of things to note, if you really want that flavor to come out, you have to use white peppercorns. Grind the white peppercorns yourself. That way, that fragrance of the white peppercorn would really just jump at you when you eat it. Use the coriander root to give it that nice sort of freshness of flavor, and everything comes together so, so beautifully. This with some sticky rice or this with a hot plate of rice is absolutely delicious. If you've tried this recipe, do let me know in the comment section down below what you think of it. I hope this has added value to you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. Ciao.